Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Snapchat chats from both sides. If you're using Snapchat and you want to delete your chat from both sides, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app and here just go to the chat in which you want to delete chat. So let's say I'm going to select this one here. Now from here, you just have to select this person and here just send any message. Let's say I'm going to send this message here. Once I've sent the message, just tap or press and hold on it until you see a menu here. Just tap on delete option and then select delete. From here, so once I've deleted the message, your message will be permanently deleted from both sides. But there's a issue that the person will see a notification that you deleted a chat. So if you want to remove this option, so there's a way or there's might be a way. Just go to person profile after deleting the message. Go to person profile from here, then tap on three dots in the top right, and here just tap on manage friendship, then select block. Tap on block again. So once you have blocked the person, just go away back and here tap on your profile option in the top right, then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right corner. Now just look for blocked accounts here. So just scroll a bit down and look for blocked users under privacy section as the privacy controls. Just select blocked users here and here you'll find the person. So you just have to tap on this cross option here. Then tap on yes here. You can see are you sure you want to unblock this person? So the person will be unblocked. So in case of blocking or unblocking, the person will know that you have blocked him or you have unblocked him, but they will not receive the message that you have deleted a chat. So in this way, you can easily permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.